Alright, we're gonna, make a snap hook, and on a box like this, it's a little tricky, and you can see what the result is. Man, I wouldn't like that in practice. I'd rather see that filled in with a little something something, but, hell, that's enough to get you started, right? Seriously? Okay, you start with a snap hook. Now, it's another one of those things where you got to select a place and just try to fasten it, and but then you got to define it. Let's define the vertical direction, reverse it. Now I got to define the horizontal direction, which would be like that point. That gets it orientated, but we got to reverse it. Now select a face to mate to. And select that. Now you can, like, weird. Okay, pretty bizarre. This is working a little differently than the other one did. Oh, wait, what was this? I'm not doing this again. Okay, vertical direction of the hook, which is right here. Reverse. Okay, define the direction of the hook, which is along this line. Reverse. Okay. Now select mating face. It's right there. Now you'll notice the hook grows, because this is how I did the last one. I didn't use this one. That's why I was a little confused. I'm not quite sure what that's for. But go ahead and select enter. Okay, and that creates that hook. And again, just like the bosses, you got to go edit the 3D sketch. Okay, and what I had to do on that one, it'll keep it planar because we selected that face. I'm going to put the motherfucker right about there. Just eyeball it. And exit the sketch. Okay. And see, in practice, you'd want to define that a little more deliberately, obviously, with some kind of dimensions or something, but I'm just still trying to get the feel for this. Pull this out just a little bit from where I have it. About right there. Because I didn't like how close it was. But again, it's basing the height on, this reference face, and so that's what is a little tricky given the fact these things are curved. Okay, and at that point, we got our hook defined, and, I go to snap hook groove. Okay, select the snap hook, and select the face that we're mounting it to, and you can see what's going on there, and you can actually, it still remembered my offset, from the last one, and the height, which I stuck up a millimeter above that, and that's fine. So and choose that, and there's our snap hook and groove. Again, would rather that be filled in, so we try to use the chamfer command, where the hell that is. Here. I don't want that, and 10 millimeters is way too much. 1 millimeter might be too little. I'll try 2 millimeters. Yeah, that works. I could. I don't know if I can just select this directly. Oh, damn it. Oh, I didn't want another edge. Delete that. Okay, I'll just set it manually. Distance. Set that to like 6. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, that fills in that gap, so again, that's at least a little better. And, you know, you could go put a chamfer on the top of this too, or a fillet, you know, as the case may be. You know, notice, you know, that our hook's not really well centered. You know, I could have chose a larger width for it, I suppose. Make this 2mm, and voila. So now let's go try something here. You know, this is a snap hook. Let me edit it. Go down in here. Now this is the total width. Let's make it 10. Okay, so that your groove is parametrically related to it, so you know it automatically made the groove wider too. So you know, we got 2 grooves in our box, and that's basically how to use a snap hook.